Well, guys, it finally happened. Carvana is finally getting their just desserts, so to speak, and states are finally stepping up and tired of the bullshit. Let's go. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage and Carvana update video for you guys today. So basically, this just came out. I saw it on Barron's. I saw it in the Wall Street Journal. Actually, yesterday. I mean, it's the weekend now. But the state of Illinois has suspended Carvana's dealer's license. That means... And somebody's already sent me video that they're violating the suspension already because they went ahead and delivered or sold cars after they were already hit with this suspension. So it'd be interesting to see because Illinois doesn't really play around with that kind of stuff. Not to say like Illinois is not corrupt as it is, but you know, they're not playing when it comes to people messing with their money. And funny, you know, the state of Illinois, I don't think really cared until a state, I don't know what you would call it, assemblyman or house person from your state house's a family member had been dealing with an issue where they didn't get a title for their car for 5 months, and then all of the sudden regulators got interested. Again, laws for thee, but not for me, right? Well, Carvana tried to, let's finesse our way out of this. What can we do to make this right? You know, we'll give them a big refund. Or no, they didn't care. When the regulators actually got the green light to come after them, and they saw just how bad the situation was with Carvana, that was it. They were done, finito. So right now, Carvana is not able to sell any cars in the state of Illinois, and it's not the only state. The state of Missouri is also, which, you know, they border each other. Finally, because Missouri was on some BS too, is also looking at suspending Carvana, and it's just the dominoes are starting to fall, okay? They've laid off people. They overextended themselves trying to buy this auction house. You know, the founders of the company, the people that had all that stock, have lost half their net worth. It's domino after domino after domino crashing. And, you know, a lot of you guys in the comments said over, under, 3 months. And I had to agree. I think probably in the next 3 months, we're going to see Carvana either get liquidated or file for bankruptcy. I can seriously see that right now. Unfortunately, if you have a car and you do not have a title from them yet, you absolutely, I might have to create a Facebook group for it so I can start collecting all these customers' info so we can try to get them help. But you need to get onto your bank. Your bank needs to start coming after them. They need that title, because if the company goes into bankruptcy or they fold and you never got a title for the vehicle, you're kind of screwed. And I don't want to see that for these consumers. You know, you'll have a car that you don't technically own, and then somebody somewhere is going to want their money, whether Carvana didn't actually pay the car off from the last person they purchased it from, and vice versa. So it's like I said, it's not a good look. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.